How to join a league with a code in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and now in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Here, make sure that you are signed in and now tap on the Leagues and Cups option on the top dashboard you see there, and you will then see the option for Join a League. So tap on the Join a League option you see there in order to join a league with a code. Here, in order to join a league with a code, tap on the Join Invitational League and Cup option you see there, and in this particular interface, you will be required to enter the code sent to you in order to join that particular league. So enter the code in the league code text box you see there and then tap on the Join League option. And with this, if the code that you entered is correct, you will be joined to that particular league successfully. So, this was about how you can join a league with a code in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.